In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make pod phone cases that sell using Canva original designs. We'll start right inside Canva. Once you are logged in, click Create. Then use the search bar to type phone background and select that canvas. This preset gives you a tall phone-shaped workspace that's perfect for print-on-demand phone cases. As you design, keep important details toward the center so they don't get clipped by camera cutouts or rounded corners on the case. From here, you can move in one of two directions. If you want a fast head start, choose a pre-designed template that matches your niche or aesthetic. Then make it yours, change colors to fit your brand. Swap fonts for a cleaner look, and replace any images or graphics, so the end result feels unique. Small tweaks go a long way. But meaningful customization is what helps your design stand out and stay compliant with licensing rules. If you prefer building from scratch, combine Canva elements like graphics, shapes, text, and photos to create a fresh, multi-element composition. Think about a focal point, supporting accents, and clear spacing. Use layers and transparency to add depth. Align elements for a polished layout and stick to a simple color palette with strong contrast, so the design reads well on a glossy case. If you include text, test legibility by zooming out if it's readable small. It'll look crisp in real life. A quick but crucial reminder on licensing. You cannot sell standalone Canva content, such as a single pro image with no changes. Your final design must be original and made up of multiple elements or meaningful modifications. In short, combine, customize, and create something new. When you are happy with the design, it's time to export. Download it as a PNG if you need transparency, for example. A pattern or graphic that lets the case color show through. Choose JPEG for full color. Edge-to-edge covers where transparency isn't needed. In both cases, select high quality so fine lines and textures print cleanly. And do one last check that no key elements sit too close to the edges. Finally, choose a print-on-demand provider that integrates with your selling platform. Whether that's Etsy, Shopify, or TikTok Shop. Integration helps automate fulfillment, keeps inventory virtual, and makes it easy to scale once your designs start selling. That's it. Thanks for watching.